Hi everyone, Kasey Thompson here. Daryl from Fort Wayne, Indiana has a very interesting question. His question is, what are the benefits of fasting? That's a great question. Well, our daily lives are filled with physical and mental distractions, and we're always looking for immediate gratification. Fasting removes those external noises, allowing the mind to quiet down and become more receptive. With less energy directed towards digestion, the body can be redirected to the mind and spirit. This leads to clearer thinking, also leads to clearer intuition, and a greater ability to receive spiritual guidance from above. When seeking answers, fasting can help break through mental and spiritual blocks, leading to profound revelations and solutions. Also, fasting intentionally deprives the physical body of a basic comfort. This act of self-denial helps to humble the ego. And this happens by intentionally giving up control over food. We surrender our lives to God, growing trust and faith. Fasting also is a powerful exercise in self-discipline. By denying food, we strengthen our willpower and we master our physical appetites and impulses. Fasting always goes hand in hand with prayer and meditation. The physical discomfort is a sacrifice. Fasting is also seen as a form of purification, physically, spiritually, and emotionally. It clears out stagnant energy, it clears out negative emotions and attachments. When we abstain from food, we also gain an appreciation for its abundance when it is available, something we just aren't grateful for a lot of times. Also, after fasting, many people experience increased awareness of what and how they eat, leading to more mindful and healthy eating habits. But this is key. Always remember the spiritual benefits of fasting come 100% from the intention behind it. If you have no intention behind the fast, then it's pointless to have the fast. You have to have the intention there. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Love you all.